Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakur and today's my video topic is the full stack web applications. First, let's discuss about the full stack web development. The full stack web development refers to the development of the front end side and back end side of the web application or website. This front end means the client side and back end means the server side of this web application. So the full stack web developer is responsible or he can develop the entire web app or website. The front end means the visible part of this web application. So it directly interacts with the user. So the front end is user experience based side. So the because of this it is dependent upon the user experience. The entire focus of the front end is the visibility and aesthetics of these websites. The various languages that are used for the for the front ends are the HTML, CSS, JavaScript or TypeScript, and the Angular and some frameworks which are used to which are the collection of this HTML, CSS, and TypeScript or JavaScripts are the Angular, React, or Bootstrap. So this framework combinedly contains all this all these languages, so that the front end work becomes of easy. Then second part, that is the back end, is the back end part mainly focuses on the how a website should work. So it basically deals with the database part. So it communicates with the database part and decide how the website should work on each of the operation. And then third part of this the full stack is the database. So the database is nothing but the collection of various data, and it is used to perform the operations on that data, like storing the data, then managing this data, and retrieving the data at any given point of time. Then now we will see the complete the flow of the website or the web application. When any user visits this website and enter its username and password, one HTML request is sent to the view server side. This view server is responsible for showing the how website should look. Then it pass on that request to the Spring server. This Spring contains two parts, that is a controller and module. The controller and model. So this controller contacts with the database parts and retrieves the password of the given username, and it matches the username password, and again that data is passed on to the user. So this is the complete workflow. The Angular, HTML, CSS, JavaScripts are part of this view server, that is Angular view server side. Then the middle part, that is Spring, is the backend side, and the languages which are used for this backend development is C++, Java, PHP, Python, Node.js. Then the next part, that is database parts, the SQL and MySQL, Oracle, then MongoDB are the some SQL side SQL side web apps which are used for the communication between the backend development and the backend server and the database. So the HTML is hypertext markup language which provides the structure to the website. So it decides where the placement of the which element should be placed on the website. The CSS, that is cascading style sheet, it decides how the website should look and the aesthetics of this website, like the color of the icons, the visibility of menu, or the size and shapes of the all the element which are present on that particular website. Then the next, that is TypeScript or JavaScript, it provides the intelligence to the website, like it is responsible for the taking the basic decisions of the website, like the username or short password. If numbers are not allowed, then instead of checking with the database, it directly tells that the number is entered in the password, and that's some of the basic decisions. Similarly, the SQL for the communication between the backend and the database, the JDBC, Hibernate are some ready-made frameworks which used to uh, communicate between these two sides, and it makes the work of the full stack developer much easier. Thank you.